The universe loves to surprise us, revealing mysteries that challenge everything we thought we knew. In July 2025, astronomers announced a discovery that electrified the scientific community, a mysterious object at the edge of our solar system, not just another rock, but something extraordinary. This object, 2020 VN40, was unveiled to the world, capturing imaginations everywhere. It's not just a new piece of the puzzle, it's a piece that doesn't fit, hinting at a deeper, more intricate story about our cosmic neighborhood. 2020 VN40 is locked in a gravitational dance with Neptune, a relationship that's persisted for eons, shaping its journey through the cold darkness. This discovery challenges our view of the solar system as neat and orderly, revealing a far more chaotic and complex environment. The darkness beyond Neptune is not an ending, but a new beginning, a frontier filled with clues to our origins. To truly understand the significance of an object like 2020 VN40, we need to place it within its cosmic context. What exactly is it, and why does it matter? First, we need to know where it lives. Its address, so to speak, within the vast expanse of our solar system. 2020 VN40 resides in the trans-Neptunian region, a realm far beyond the familiar planets. This is a vast, largely unexplored wilderness beyond Neptune, the 8th planet from the Sun. It's a region of extreme cold and faint sunlight. Here, in this distant realm, icy, rocky bodies are the dominant inhabitants. These objects, called trans-Neptunian objects, or TNOs, drift in the solar system's outer reaches, far from the warmth of the Sun. They are remnants from the solar system's formation, essentially leftovers from the planet-building process. These cosmic fossils are incredibly hard to find, requiring powerful telescopes and sophisticated detection techniques. They reflect very little sunlight, making them appear as faint specks against the black backdrop, hiding in the deep freeze of space. TNOs are survivors of a chaotic era, a period of intense gravitational interactions and collisions in the early solar system. They were scattered by migrating giant planets billions of years ago, flung outwards into the distant reaches of the solar system. This planetary migration dramatically reshaped the architecture of our solar system. By studying their orbits, sizes, and compositions, astronomers pieced together the story of planetary migration and the early evolution of our solar system. They are like detectives, using clues from the past to solve a cosmic mystery. Each TNO is a time capsule, preserving information about the conditions that existed in the early solar system. It's a pristine piece of history, orbiting in the dark, largely unchanged since its formation. Discovering a TNO like 2020 VN40 is like finding a new page from a lost manuscript, adding another piece to the puzzle. It's offering fresh insights and, inevitably, new questions that drive further research and exploration. These objects are fundamental to our solar system's story, providing crucial clues about its origins and evolution. It's a story still being written, with each new discovery adding another chapter. The map of our solar system is far from complete, especially in these outer regions, and its most distant provinces are only just beginning to be explored, representing a true frontier of space exploration. 2020 VN40 is not just a rock, it's more than just another object in space. It's a key to unlocking the secrets of our past, a relic from the dawn of our solar system. Discovering 2020 VN40 was the result of years of patient, meticulous work, modern astronomy at its finest. Wide-field telescopes and sensitive cameras scanned the sky, searching for faint glimmers of movement among the stars. Astronomers compared images over days, looking for objects that shifted position, a cosmic game of hide and seek. The name 2020 VN40 tells us it was first spotted in 2020, but confirming its existence and orbit took years of follow-up observations. By July 2025, scientists had mapped its orbit and uncovered its most fascinating trait, a unique relationship with Neptune. This wasn't just cataloging a new object, it was revealing the hidden choreography of the cosmos. The discovery was a team effort, built on collaboration and persistence. 2020 VN40 is now a new mystery at the edge of our solar system, a character in its unfolding drama. So, what exactly is 2020 VN40? What makes this particular object so interesting and worthy of our attention in the vast expanse of space? Well, fundamentally, it's a classic trans-Neptunian object, a member of the diverse population of icy bodies residing beyond the orbit of Neptune. These objects offer invaluable clues about the early history of our solar system. It's likely a dirty snowball of ice and rock, a cosmic conglomerate of frozen gases, dust, and rocky material. Think of it as a time capsule, preserving the raw ingredients from which the planets were formed. Indeed, it's a relic from the solar system's birth, a leftover building block that never quite made it into a planet. These remnants provide a unique window into the conditions that prevailed in the early solar nebula. Its precise size is still uncertain, requiring further observation and analysis to determine its exact dimensions. But based on current estimates, it's probably just a few hundred kilometers across, making it a relatively small object in the grand scheme of the solar system. That's a mere speck compared to the giant planets like Jupiter and Neptune, which dwarf these icy wanderers in both size and mass. Out in the cold, dark void beyond Neptune, where sunlight is incredibly faint, the sun appears as a distant star, a pale glimmer in the inky blackness of space, and temperatures plunge to a staggering -220 degrees Celsius, creating an environment of extreme cold. Here, gases like methane and nitrogen freeze solid, transforming from their gaseous state into exotic ices. These frozen gases then blanket the surface in a layer of ice, creating a landscape of frozen beauty. But what truly defines 2020 VN40, setting it apart from other trans-Neptunian objects, is its unique orbit, the path it takes around the Sun. It's highly elliptical, meaning it's stretched out and not circular, and significantly tilted relative to the plane of the solar system. And perhaps most importantly, its orbit is intricately linked to Neptune's gravity, a celestial dance choreographed by gravitational forces. This isn't just a random chaotic path. It's not simply wandering aimlessly through the outer solar system. Instead, it's a stable, long-term relationship, a delicate balance maintained by the gravitational interplay between 2020 VN40 and Neptune. This relationship has been shaped over millions, perhaps even billions of years, a testament to the enduring power of gravity. 2020. VN40 is therefore an active participant in a vast gravitational system, constantly interacting with Neptune and other celestial bodies. It's offering us a window into the complex forces that are sculpting the structure and evolution of the outer solar system. And by studying it, by carefully analyzing its orbit and physical properties, we can glimpse the invisible architecture, the intricate gravitational web that holds our entire solar system together, revealing the underlying order of our cosmic neighborhood. The story of 2020 VN40 is a fascinating one, filled with cosmic intrigue and gravitational ballet. But perhaps the most captivating aspect of this celestial wanderer is its intricate dance with Neptune, the ice giant of our solar system. It's a relationship defined by gravitational forces and orbital mechanics. This isn't just any casual orbit, it's a precise gravitational interaction called orbital resonance. This phenomenon dictates how these two bodies move in relation to each other. For every set number of Neptune's stately orbits around the Sun, a journey that takes approximately 165 Earth years, 2020 VN40 diligently completes its own orbital path, tracing its trajectory through the vast expanse of space. This carefully choreographed dance ensures they never collide, despite their orbital paths appearing to cross, a testament to the predictability of celestial mechanics. Imagine two runners on a track, each with their own lane, but perfectly synchronized in their pace and movements, always in sync, maintaining a consistent rhythm, but never actually meeting or interfering with each other's progress. In the case of Neptune and 2020 VN40, gravity acts as the invisible conductor, keeping them in a stable, harmonious rhythm. This synchrony, this delicate balance of motion, is a powerful testament to gravity's pervasive influence, capable of creating enduring patterns and maintaining order across billions of years of cosmic time. Pluto, the dwarf planet residing in the outer reaches of our solar system, is another well-known example of this phenomenon, locked in a similar orbital resonance with Neptune, showcasing the prevalence of this gravitational dance. However, what truly makes 2020 VN40 special and sets it apart from other resonant objects is the unique and complex nature of its particular resonance with Neptune, offering a new perspective on these gravitational interactions. Studying this resonance adds a crucial data point, enriching our understanding to our existing models of the dynamics and evolution of the outer solar system. This seemingly elegant cosmic waltz is, in a way, an echo of a violent past, a remnant of the chaotic early days of our solar system. It's believed that Neptune's own migration through the solar system played a key role, gravitationally capturing 2020 VN40 into its current stable orbit. What we observe today as a beautiful, orderly pattern, a celestial ballet of sorts, was ultimately born from the cosmic chaos and turbulent conditions that once prevailed. Each newly discovered resonant object, each celestial body locked in this gravitational embrace, provides valuable clues and helps us piece together a more complete picture of the solar system's intricate history and evolution. To grasp the magic of 2020 VN40's dance with Neptune, we need to understand orbital resonance. It's like pushing a swing at just the right moment. Gravity's periodic nudges lock objects into stable, repeating patterns. When a TNO's orbit is a simple fraction of a giant planet's, these nudges stabilize its path, creating a gravitational safe zone. For 2020 VN40, resonance ensures it never collides with Neptune, allowing it to survive for billions of years. Orbital resonance is one of the universe's most elegant organizing principles, creating harmony from chaos. Each resonant object is a natural experiment, revealing clues about the early solar system. By studying their orbits, scientists can reconstruct Neptune's migration and the primordial disk's density. 2020 VN40's perfect rhythm is a message from the past, written in gravity's language. The discovery of 2020 VN40 is more than just another name on a list. It fundamentally shifts our perspective on the outer solar system. Once thought to be a static graveyard, this region is now revealed as dynamic and complex. The dance with Neptune shows that powerful gravitational interactions are still shaping this frontier. Resonant objects like 2020 VN40 provide concrete evidence for the migration of giant planets, refining our models of solar system formation. Each new discovery acts as a pin on a map, tracing Neptune's journey outward. The unique resonance of 2020 VN40 might even force us to rethink our theories, suggesting a more complex migration. Its existence hints at a larger population of similar objects, opening a new field of exploration. Studying these extremes deepens our understanding of the interconnected web of gravity that holds our solar system together. It's a humbling, inspiring realization. 2020. VN40's story is rewriting our solar system's biography, replacing the old clockwork model with one of dynamism and complexity. The outer reaches are shaped by ancient migrations and ongoing gravitational interactions. The dance of 2020 VN40 suggests planet formation was messy and chaotic, not smooth and linear. Resonant TNOs help us quantify that chaos and understand how stability eventually emerged. These icy bodies are fingerprints left by the giant planets as they shaped the early solar system. The fate of a tiny ice ball billions of kilometers away is tied to a gas giant's history. Everything is interconnected. To understand the whole, we must pay attention to the smallest, most distant parts. As of July 2025, the discovery of 2020 VN40 is a new landmark on a map still largely unwritten. For every object we find, there are likely thousands more hidden in the dark, each with its own story. The darkness beyond Neptune is a treasure chest, and we've only just begun to find the key. Each new discovery is another clue in the grand detective story of our solar system. The quest to explore this final frontier is driven by the same curiosity that led our ancestors to cross oceans. 2020 VN40 is a symbol of the hidden beauty and complexity of the cosmos, an invitation to keep exploring. The dance has just begun.